This is just a quick stateroom tour of stateroom 4538 on Majesty of the Seas. As we go into the door and walk into the room, we can see that it's a small room, which is standard on the Majesty of the Seas. When you first walk in, you can see that there is, to your left, there's a bifold door here, and that's your closet. As we open that up, you can see in the closet, it's got a small safe, but it's big enough to put like an iPad and something like that, your wallet, passports, important things. There's shelves above and below for you to fold your clothes and put them up. Of course, there's hangers. There's, as you see, plenty of hangers to put your items and hang them. Next, as you come in, the closets to the left, to the right, is going to be your bathroom. Now, the bathroom in these rooms, it's small compared to other Royal Caribbean ships, but actually it's laid out in quite a nice way. You can see you've got a sink, a big mirror, plenty of towels, plenty of room really for your toiletries and other things. You've got the commode right there, and then right across from the commode you have a nice shower. Now, it's not the biggest shower in the world, but it does the job, especially on a nice short cruise like we're on. We're on a 5-day cruise, so this was more than adequate. When we come back into the room from the bathroom, we see that there are hooks, sturdy hooks on the wall here. It's very nice. We've got a lot of stuff hanging from these hooks, some purchases we've made in the stores and some camera bags and other things we got hanging. We also happen to have a hanging monkey thanks to our room steward. Then, of course, across and just a little more into the room, we've got our vanity here. This vanity, it's very nice. It's small, once again, like everything in this room, but it's very efficient. It works very nice. It's got storage on each side that opens up. The shelves, plenty of room if you're doing anything. The lights up here on each side, giving plenty of light for someone who's doing their makeup or just getting ready to go to formal night or something like that. Of course, there's more storage on this side that you can use. Same shelves inside there. I also like that there's storage above this unit. It's nice because the stuff up there is out the way, but yet readily handy. If you need, we've got some contacts and stuff up there. It's so nice that you can have it right there while you're getting ready. On the other side, there is a small table that is underneath the small television. Not a very big TV, but honestly, really in this size room, more than you need. It's very nice. Then, of course, you've got the bed. This bed is very comfortable. It's big enough. It's very nice. Next to the bed, there's a little storage area, a cubby hole. It's really nice. We've got a lot of other stuff stored over there. Some old cruise compasses, you know, just some sunblock and stuff like that we want to keep handy. So it's nice to have it right there. And then, of course, we have, this is an ocean view room. So we have a nice window. It's actually a pretty good sized window, as you can see. It's got a nice view, no obstructions, so you can see right out into the water. It's really a nice room. So this has just been a very nice quick tour of stateroom 4538 on Majesty of the Seas.